In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to animate this PowerPoint slide design step by step. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of all my latest tutorials. Alright, let's dive in. First, go to the Format Background panel. Choose Gradient Fill and select two colors that complement each other. Make sure the colors match the image we'll be adding later. Next, insert a new text box and type in your word or phrase. Adjust the font style, size, and color to your preference. Just follow the settings shown in the video. Once you're happy with it, center the text on the slide. Now, it's time to add an image. I'm going to insert a picture of a famous football player. Once the image is added, align it to the center of the slide for a clean and balanced look. Next, duplicate the text box you just created. Align the duplicated text exactly on top of the original, so they overlap perfectly. Now, duplicate the entire slide. On the second slide, select the top layer text box. Go to Text Options and choose No Fill to remove the text fill. Then, add a white text outline and increase the outline thickness to make the text more prominent. Go to the selection pane and select both text layers together. Drag them downward slightly. Switch back to the first slide. Select the image. Drag it down until it moves off the canvas. Finally, select both slides and apply the morph transition. And that's it! You've just animated your PowerPoint slide design. Thank you for watching.